Dead bird, here. 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 Fetch up. Fetch up, here. Good boy. That's the old set, I think. Good boy, here. 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 Good boy. Fetch up. Here. Here. Good boy. Good boy. Here. Here. Good bird. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good job. Here. Yeah, hold on. Let me get video. Sit. Whoa. Hey, Sam. God dang it. Kill it. Sam, you really f***ed that one up, you know that? He's like, oh, bird right here. Oh, God. Look at it. Kill him. Kill him. Oh, yeah, he's right there. He's, oh, good boy. Oh, kill him. Good shot. Dead bird, here, fetch up. Dead bird, here. Good boy. Oh, easy. No. Here. Good boy. Good boy. No. Dead. Let's go, hunt him up.
Dude, look at the freaking squills on that one.
Oh, shoot it. My gun didn't cycle. Last shot.
Didn't cycle? I thought you were just on station.
No. Good boy. No bird, no. Here. Oh, easy. Oh, easy, Sam, easy. Oh. Dead bird. Sam, here. Fetch him up. Get him. Get his ass. Woo! Good boy. Fetch up. Call him.
That's not mine.
Who shot it? Here.
I shot it. One over there.
Good.
That was the first one I chased out.
Good. Here you go, Gab. Up. Whoa. Sit. Nice. Good bird. Sam, here. Sam, over here. Hunt him up.
Here. Come here. Birdie in the squirrel.
So, come on. Oh, get ready. Oh, easy. Good boy. Easy. Oh, there he is. Good. Hunt him up. Get him. Hunt him up. Come on, get him. Good boy. Here. Good boy. Come here. Here. Fetch up. Okay, fetch up. Watch him. Fetch up. Here, Sam. Here. Fetch up. Good boy. Oh. Hunt him up. Come on. Oh. Oh. No bird. No bird. Let's go. No bird. Dead bird. Good. Here. Fetch up. Fetch up. Fetch up. Here.
Cool ass
Cool.
Dude, get you a photo of that with Sam.
I'll get it when we get back.
Hold on. Give me your phone. I got you. Sam. Tongue out and everything, dude. That's
Good boy.
I saw that kick up like that ain't the right color.
Yeah, he looked really. He looked really dark.
I thought it was funny you said no bird.
Yeah. Hunt him up. Good boy. Hunt him up. Let's get in here. Good. Good boy. Let's go. Come on, hunt him up. Sam. Sam.
Oh, he's on.
Sam. He's on. Easy. Whoa. Whoa. He might be up in that lane if he smells it. Whoa. Whoa. Oh.
That's a rooster too.
Hey, Sam. Oh, whoa, oh, whoa, whoa, guys, get ready. Whoa, whoa, easy, easy, easy. Kel got him. Good job, Sam. Good job.
Good job, Sam. Dude, the sprigs on that one.
Good job.
Come on. We are right there. If we go that way, we're all the way down there and have to work back up.
Good boy.
Come here.
That's a lot of
You guys
fun,
hungry?
isn't it? Yeah.
Boys hungry? Let's go get some lunch. Let's get some lunch.
Here. Come on, buddy. Heel, 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 heel. Whoa, whoa.
Shot. Nice. Oh shit. Get him, Sam. Dipper dead. No, Sam. Oh shit. Oh, that was Liv. I thought that was Sam. No, Sam took it.
Sam got her.
No.
Sam, Sam, here, fetch up. Load up.
That was the best.
Here, here,
That was
here.
the best present ever.
Load up.
What?
Good.
Oh, really? Oh, that's cool. That was the best. Yeah, he's pretty awesome.
That thing's freezing.
Hey, that trucker, I fucking wringed his neck.
Oh my god. Look at it freezing up on the bowl.
Here, buddy.
Tell me what.
It's gonna freeze dude's beard.
I know. Did you see all of his sweat?
Uh-huh.
All his, like, drool and whatnot was frozen?
Is he still down there?
He just went down. He's right there by the cedars.
Hey, don't forget we got a pheasant on that tree line.
Hey, Sam. Whoa. Bird in. Whoa. Look close. Bird in. Whoa. Here. Okay, Jim. There you go.
Nice! Fetch up!
That's a pretty one, too, Jim.
Fetch up!
Bird in. Still down there? He just went down. He's right there by the cedar. Hey, don't.
No, oh, oh, oh.
120. Hey, Sam.
Whoa. 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 Get him, Chase. Get him, Chase. There you go, Chase.
Nice. Touch up. Here.
That's a pretty one too, Chase. I'm gonna go help him. Call him. Call him. Sam! Where'd it go? Dead bird. Have you looked in this Milo? Dead bird. Here. Dead bird. Dead bird. Fetch up. Dead bird. Fetch up. Dead bird. Dead bird. Dead bird. There it is. Fetch up. Found it. Yeah. He must have been winged. Hey,
Here.
there's a bunch of chuckers down here.
Sam, here.
Fetch up. Let's go. Fetch up. Let's go. Here. He might smell something here. It's kind of, we have the wind to our back, so it's a little tough. We may flush something before they smell it. There's some Milo up here.
Okay. If he doesn't, I'll walk it.
Oh, 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 good boy. Whoa. It's pheasant. Pheasant. Who needs a pheasant? Come here. Whoa. 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 You guys ready? I'm gonna kick it. Whoa. Whoa, Sam. Whoa. 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 2. That bird's gonna go down.
Bird in, look close. Here. Here. Whoa, whoa. Here, sit. Sit in, sit. Gavin,
Gavin and Chase.
live here. Gavin, walk up there. Live here. Sit down. Sit. Sit. Gavin, get up there.
2.
Dead, Dipper, dead. 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 He's down.
It's in the woods. It's in the woods.
Livy, here. Livy, here.
Sam, hunt him up. Where'd he go?
Livy, hey. Hey, Dipper, dead.
Hunt him up. He's down there. Hunt him up. Fetch up. Come on now. Find him.
Hold on, fellas. There could be more right here. Here.
Come on. Fetch up. Did he have him?
Huh?
Does he have him? Fetch up.
Here.
I think he's got. Fetch up.
Here.
Fetch up.
Livy, here.
That's the other guys, aren't they?
Here.
Fetch up. Good boy. Good boy.
Good job. Here.
Good boy. Good boy. Come here. Here. Here.
Good job.
Good boy. Here, fetch up.
Good job.
Fetch up. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. He's still alive.
Yeah.
Good boy, Sam. Good boy.
Somewhere get some.
Oh, I'm starving, dude.
Bethany. We go by this one.